Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about 1 minus cosine 2x over number 2. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So this one we simplify and we have s over number 5. Now we put number 2 go outside. Now the integration of number 1, that is about s. The integration of cosine of s over number 5, we have number 5 sine of s over number 5, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.